Hey guys, Chris from Tdmotion. I have on the floor here a monster transmission. This is an AOD transmission. Was primarily used in the mid 80s to mid 90s cars and trucks. Has the overdrive gear, so it's really popular amongst the Mustang guys, resto mod guys that want to get that overdrive gear. So it's been vastly improved over the factory. It can handle up to 550 plus horsepower and torque as well. Has improved overdrive band, valve body, clutches, gives you firmer shifts. So this uses a throttle valve cable versus the later years, they have the electronically controlled ones with the 4R70W, the AODE. So for simplicity, the cable, very, very easy to use. So this is, again, 4-speed versus the 3-speed that the older C4s had. So you do have that overdrive that gives you the RPMs that drop down quite a bit when you're going, let's say 65, 70 miles per hour. So some of the key things to have success with this installation is to hook up this throttle valve cable. This controls the pressure for the transmission and also helps with the shift points as well. So it's really critical that that gets set up properly so you have the proper pressure. Two, you want to use good synthetic fluid in there. You want to fill the converter up first with a quarter tube. That's key. So a cool transmission is going to be a happy transmission. This comes as a complete kit. You're going to have your dip tube, your mid plate, the hardware, the cooler itself. So you'll have most of what you need to do the job here. We're going to go towards the front here. This is a multi-spline transmission, so it is critical that you definitely get the converter in right the first time, because if it's not seated properly, you can wind up doing some damage to the splines. So this is a heavy-duty torque converter, and let's get it put in here. Starters. And you just have to kind of keep spinning this around until you feel it seated all the way down. And it takes several times, many times. So we should be able to get one more click out of this. There we go. So it's already seated in place. And quick way of telling, of course, is that make sure that it's just seating below the face point of where it hooks up to the engine itself. So all this is available through our website, tdmotion.com.